Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to share screen on Google Meet. So first you just have to go to your Google Meet, you have to log in your account here, and in order for you to start a meeting or conference, what you're going to do here is you have to click this blue icon or blue button right here, and then let's tap this start an instant meeting. So in order for you to share this, you just have to copy this link and then you can paste it or share this to whoever you want to join to your conference or your meeting. So let's just say this is a big conference and you wanted to share your activity or you want to show them your presentation. So to share your presentation, to share your screen, what you're going to do here is you have to click this button, okay, this icon, and then once you tap this, then you will have your option. So you can show them the entire screen, a specific screen, and you can also show them a specific presentation like slideshow or something like that. So once you click that specific part, let's just say I want to show them this site. So let me go to the site first, or let's just say this one is the presentation or slideshow. So you can show or you can find it one first. This is what it looks like. So when you tap this, you have to click and then share. And then whatever activity with the screen with this area, the people in your conference or meeting will see whatever activities you show them. As easy as that. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.